Hi, Mahon here, founder of Igloo Insurance, where we offer transparent risk advice to business owners and families. Today, we're diving into the world of business insurance, specifically general liability, and how it fits into a BOP or commercial package. Let's break it down. So what is general liability? It's often called GL and is really the foundation of most business insurance plans. It protects your business from third-party claims involving, bodily injury, like a customer slipping in your store, your office, property damage, like, breaking a client's laptop, or think of a contractor entering a residential home and potentially causing property damage. Personal and advertising injury as well is included in general liability. Things like libel, slander, copyright infringement. It doesn't necessarily cover your employees or your property. That's where other policies come into play. So what's a BOP? It stands for Business Owner's Policy, and it bundles general liability and property insurance, sometimes other coverages like business interruption. It's designed to cover smaller businesses and even mid-sized businesses as well. BOPs offer really simplicity, cost savings, broad protection. Think of it as the combo meal of business insurance. If you qualify for a BOP, it's usually less expensive than buying each policy separately. What is a commercial package policy? Now, that is just like a BOP, but usually for larger organizations, more customizable, more expensive. You might need, higher limits or special coverage like inland marine or cyber or something. So there's more flexibility sometimes in a commercial package, and you can mix and match exactly what you need. So what's not covered by general liability, whether you're getting that in a BOP or a package, it won't cover, employee injuries. That's workers' compensation. It won't cover damage to your own property, right? You need to get property insurance for that. It won't cover professional liability or errors and omissions. You need to get a separate policy for that. And also, general liability does not cover auto accidents, auto insurance, right? Whether you're, bundling a BOP or a commercial package, it's important you have those other components to fill gaps. You can't just rely on GL alone. So how much coverage do you need? Most small businesses start out with $1 million each occurrence and $2 million aggregate in a general liability policy. That may vary based off your needs, based off a customer contract, or your location in the country as well. Some places it's often normal to carry more, say $2 million each occurrence, $4 million aggregate. So you always want to review limits with your broker, especially if you're signing, contracts that might require changes or higher limits. Quick tips for buying business insurance. Bundle whenever possible. It simply saves money. Review your policy annually or after major changes like bringing on employees or purchasing equipment or vehicles or buildings. Ask about endorsements. Oftentimes you can pay maybe a couple $100 and get access to a whole bundle of extra coverages like higher non-owned auto liability or cyber, which of course we'll make videos on that as well, and link here in the cards. Keep certificates of insurance handy for landlords or clients as well. So business insurance is not just a checkbox. It's your, bare bones safety net to getting sued from third parties. If you want help reviewing your general liability, BOP, or commercial package, bundling coverage, or just understanding what you really need, reach out to us here at Igloo Insurance. We're here to help with transparent risk advice and sound coverage. Thanks so much.